I think one of the things with lighting is that it's the most visible of all the things you can do with energy in a building. But now you also get an energy savings measure that's quite significant, especially as we've moved to LEDs from the incumbent technologies. We're seeing, lighting savings in the nature of 50 to 70% just for the lights, not even touching the controls yet. The health benefits, that's the hot topic with lighting right now, is to make that one happen, you have to have controls, because you have to tell the lights what to do as they color change through the day or in certain points of the day. To be able to find stuff, not necessarily always people, but stuff. If you put the Bluetooth trackers on wheelchairs in an airport, to be able to find where they're at. It costs money if you can't get the people off the plane because you don't know where a wheelchair is to help them get off the plane. But if you can look on your laptop and see all the wheelchairs in the entire airport, and how are you seeing them? It's because the sensors in the lights can see the wheelchairs, so you get to see where everything is. Another one that's out there is space utilization. That's a great one for offices, to be able to tell usage patterns in the office. So if it's something that you're looking at as a building owner, you want to make sure that you kind of know a little bit about where you want to go, a roadmap of what you want your space to be able to do. Any lighting project, any energy efficiency project that you do, one of the first things you should do is talk to your local utility, because almost every utility has some sort of incentive package for energy efficiency. Kind of roadmap that out so you know where you're going, and talk with the people to get the right system in place. Yeah, right now there's a ton of flexibility, and it's nice to be able to have that flexibility. I don't think we've had that ability in a long time or ever with lighting. When we talk about high performance lighting, there's probably a lot of different definitions out there, and exactly everybody kind of can morph it into whatever they want. But the biggest definition is that it provides quality light for the least amount of watts and has the most controllability. And that's one of the things that when we look at LEDs with Luminaire Level Lighting Controls, is that it sort of hits all those check marks on when you're looking at what a high performance light can do. So when we talk about Luminaire Level Lighting Controls, basically what that is it's an integrated sensor in all the main fixtures, and the sensor has occupancy, daylighting capabilities. The fixture itself can do dimming and high-end trim. But the controls nowadays, especially the wireless versions of it, is really easy. You've got apps on your phone to work with them, and you can be a lot more specific on how they work and narrow it down to small clusters, all the way down to, if you want to, a single fixture or a group of fixtures. It makes your workspace so much more inviting and get people to feel more comfortable with their workspace and the job they get to do.